Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Sushi Planet kitchen. Today I'm here to show you how to make delicious sushi rolls right at home. Using fresh ingredients you can easily get delivered from Sushi Planet. Gear up for sushi success. Before we dive in, let's talk about the essentials. You won't need a ton of fancy equipment. A sharp knife, a bamboo rolling mat, makisu, and a mixing bowl are your key players. Of course, the most important thing is fresh, high-quality ingredients, and that's where Sushi Planet comes in. Sushi Planet, your delivery sushi sensei. Head over to Sushi Planet's online menu or visit our sushi bar and look for the Sushi Making Kit. This kit has everything you need to get started, including perfectly cooked sushi rice, seaweed, nori, sheets, and a selection of delicious fillings. You can choose from classic options like tuna and salmon, or explore vegetarian delights like cucumber and avocado. Mastering the maki roll. Alright, let's get rolling, pun intended. Today we'll be making a basic maki roll, which is a great option for beginners. Seasoning the rice. We'll start by learning how to properly season the sushi rice with a touch of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This is the foundation of a good roll. Preparing the filling. I will show you how to slice your chosen fillings into thin, even strips for perfect distribution in the roll. The art of rolling. Here comes the fun part. We'll learn how to spread the seasoned rice onto the nori sheet, add the fillings, and use the bamboo mat to create a tight, even roll. Don't worry, I will show you the perfect rolling technique for a professional finish. Slicing and serving. Now for the moment of truth. We'll learn how to properly slice the roll using a sharp, wet knife for clean cuts. Presentation is key, so I will share some tips on arranging your sushi and adding a touch of wasabi and pickled ginger for an authentic experience. Sushi Planet Beyond the Kit. While the Sushi Making Kit is a great starting point, Sushi Planet offers a wide variety of ingredients for your sushi adventures. Want to get creative? Explore our selection of cooked and raw seafood, vegetables, and unique sauces to customize your rolls to your heart's content. So there you have it. With a little help from me, Sushi Planet chef, and this Sushi Making Masterclass, you can impress your friends and family with delicious homemade sushi rolls. Don't forget to check out Sushi Planet's website, sushiplanetdublin, or visit our sushi bar to grab your sushi making kit and all the fresh ingredients you need. Now, let's get rolling. And remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Cheers!